Hello everyone. Welcome back for another Anything Goes Saturday. This is the time that Vicki and I take whatever we want that's in our stash and play with it. I am still playing with the Christmas Wishes products because I bought the card kit and it had paper and everything else, and I picked up a couple of add-ons. So for today's card, I am using this paper and I cut it down because this is the panel I wanted, and I've saved this one for the front of my card. I have a piece of gold that I'm going to use on the front of a card. I have a piece of this that was cut off the bottom that I'm going to use inside my card. I have a green piece of cardstock that I'm going to mount that on. I have my card base, my envelope, and then my gems. This was one of the add-ons I got, and it was the metal dies, and I've pulled out this one to use on today's card. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add my panel to my green piece. All right, and there we go. It's straight. I'm going to put this on here, but I need some ribbon. I forgot my ribbon. Okay, I have this ribbon. I would prefer the pink, but I don't have a pink that's skinny. So I'm going to use this. Oops, I went the wrong way with this. You'll see why in a minute. All right, and I'm going to tie a knot. I have to be very careful because if I tie it too tight, it'll pull my, there we go. It'll bend my ornament. All right, and I'm going to take and make my bow. And when I make a bow, I pull my knot north to south. Then I take my bow and I make my bow and I come over top. I hope I have enough to do this. And I'm going to pull this east to west. And I just keep pulling and adjusting till I get it like I want it. All right. And there we have it. A little bit tighter. Smaller, I should say, not tighter. There. Now I'm going to take my ribbon scissors and I'm going to trim the ends. And I'm not worried. Oh man, I have definitely got to get these scissors sharpened. I have to find my sharpener and work on them. All right. This piece is going to go on here. So I'm going to add some glue. And again, I did all of these cards and totally forgot to use a sheet of double-sided tape because then I wouldn't have to be adding glue in key spots. Not that it matters, but it would just make it easier. All right, let me find my tweezers. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to put it down right here so it looks like it's hanging from that branch. All right. There, I'm playing with my bow still. It's upside down, but that's okay. All right, so now I've got that. And I'm going to put my pin back in. I don't have a sentiment. A lot of times I don't put sentiments on my card because then I can use it the way I want. This one doesn't have to be Christmas. It can be, here it is. Whoops. It can be New Year's, birthday, celebration. All right. Could even be Valentine's Day because it's got pink with it. All right, let's see. There's that. And I'm going to pull in some gems. I'm going to take a big one and put it right there. Now, you always have to use odd numbers. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, and 4. So by pulling it that way, it pulls your eye across your card. You put the tip on. Now, this piece is going to go inside, and it's kind of lost. So I think I need to put it on a piece of green. Okay, I know I said I was going to put it on green, but the green didn't look right. So I'm going to put it on a piece of rose. All right. And then this is going to go at the bottom to decorate it. And this was an offcut, and I really liked it. So I figured I would use it on my envelope. And let's see what we're going to do. I'm going to put it this way, but I think I'm going to cut this side off some. Okay, that is better. So I'm going to add that to my card base. And then I'm going to add the strip of gold down the side because it was an offcut also. And I'm just putting it right up against the edge, like so. And I have some extra here, so I'm going to cut it off. And I put it on upside down. Oh dear. Hang on. Hold on, I got to heat it. Okay, when I heated it, it didn't come off very well on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it. I was going to put it on a new piece, but I just decided to move it over. So I'm going to do this. And I did add more tape because once you heat it, it gets it warps it so it's doesn't lay flat. All right, there's that. Now I'm going to put this piece on, and this piece doesn't matter because it's gold. And I think it's off just slightly, so I'm going to put it up against the side like so. Now I got to cut this off. Now, if you find it's sticking up in spots like here, I'm going to put some glue here because you want to make sure it doesn't get caught in the machine. You could pay a little extra to have it hand stamped. Well, after all that, guess what? No, it's not. I thought it was upside down. All right, so I did carry the theme to the inside, and this is crooked. Let me fix it. Okay, better. It's hard sometimes to see white on white. All right, so I carried that theme all the way through with some paper and on my envelope, just using my scraps because it's no sense throwing it away. And it makes it kind of pretty. I hope you enjoyed today's idea. Make sure you head over to Vicky's channel to see what she's up to today. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to come back and visit me again. Have a super Saturday. Bye.